Hey there, are you facing hair loss? Are you want to know more about wigs? Today, we are not just talking about it, we are diving deep into it. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into my wig closet where I'll show you the different type of wigs I have and teach you how to care for them. Get ready to burst some common myths about wig usage also. And just for tuning in today, if you drop a comment in the section below, you'll be a part of my grand YouTube channel launch. This is your chance to be a part of our growing community. In case we haven't met before, my name is Dr. Kamika Baylor. I'm a bariatric pharmacist, functional medicine specialist, and 21-year weight loss surgery vet. And over the past 21 years since my weight loss surgery, I've been cycling through periods of hair loss and hair growth, and this led me to explore and learn everything about wigs. I now want to share this knowledge with you all so that you can make an informed decision when purchasing wigs and how to care for them. In the next few minutes, we'll take a glance at some amazing wigs in my collection. And in upcoming videos in this series on hair loss, I'll share with you some personal tips and tricks on how to maintain them. Hey, you can get some recommendations that you won't find anywhere else. Starting with how to choose the right wig, to wash and store them correctly. My methods will ensure that your wigs have a prolonged life and look as natural as possible. Learn about the different materials wigs are made of, the pros and cons, and how to style them without causing harm. So don't forget to drop a comment below to be a part of our YouTube channel launch. And let's create a supportive community where we share and learn and grow together. And not only what will be our wig journey, but also in our weight loss journey. Can't wait to learn more about you as you learn more about me. Thank you.